Ever add new screens to your Acumatica mobile app and then they just kind of vanish?
Yeah, it's almost like they disappear into thin air, right?
Well, not quite. Turns out there's this thing called the other workspace.
Yeah, that other workspace, it's, well, a bit like that junk drawer everyone has, right?
Totally. Stuff gets tossed in there with no real organization,
And it can get pretty frustrating when you're trying to find something specific.
especially when you're on the go and need things quickly.
Exactly.
So to dive into this and figure out how to actually fix it, we've got Dipak with us.
Deepak's a senior software engineer at Tayana Solutions with a ton of experience in ERP.
Like over 4 years working with Acumatica specifically, right?
Yeah, and get this, he's tackled over 50 mobile app customizations across different Acumatica editions, too.
So he's seen this whole other workspace mess firsthand.
More times than he probably cares to remember.
All right, Deepak, from what you've seen, what's the main reason these new screens end up lost in the other workspace?
It really boils down to Acumatica needing things to be spelled out for it, like explicitly assigned,
So if you don't tell Acumatica where a screen should go when you set it up for mobile,
It just kind of shrugs and dumps it in that other workspace by default.
a digital purgatory for screens, huh?
You could say that.
I mean, it makes sense in a way as a fallback, ensures nothing gets completely lost,
Yeah, it's like a safety net, I guess.
but not exactly ideal for users who want a clean and organized mobile experience.
Definitely not.
So, you've helped clients deal with this. Can you walk us through a typical scenario?
Sure. Had a client once who added a bunch of new screens to their Acumatica system and enabled them for mobile use.
That's pretty standard,
Oh, yeah. But then boom, all those screens ended up in the other workspace.
causing all sorts of headaches, I imagine.
Oh, yeah. The client was not thrilled. They wanted that other workspace gone, period.
Fair enough. Makes sense.
It was cluttering up their mobile apps something fierce.
So, how did you guys tackle this at Tayana Solutions?
We went straight to the source, the mobile app setup section in Acumatica's admin panel.
Okay.
We could see all the screens languishing in that other workspace. Right?
Innovate.
And from there, it was just a matter of systematically moving each screen to the right spot.
So, like, assigning them to the appropriate mobile workspace based on their function.
Exactly. Giving each screen a proper home within the mobile app, if you will.
No more digital limbo.
Nope. And guess what?
I'm guessing the other workspace vanished.
You got it. Once all the screens were properly assigned, poof, gone.
Just like that.
The client was ecstatic.
I bet. Clean, organized, easy to use. That's what you want in a mobile app.
Absolutely.
So if anyone out there listening is wrestling with this same issue,
Check your mobile workspace assignments. It might just be a simple fix.
and if you need a hand, well,
Tayana Solutions is always ready to help.
as the biggest services partner for Acumatica, you guys have seen it all.
You bet. We can handle anything from mobile app tweaks to full-blown customizations.
Support cases got you down.
Give us a shout.
Need an on-site consultant.
We've got you covered.
Our listeners can reach out to Tayama Solutions at 678-910-2774.
Book an appointment, chat about your needs, and see how we can help your business thrive.
Great stuff. Thanks for breaking down this mobile app mystery for us.
Anytime.
And for all our listeners, take a moment to think about those little tech annoyances that might be slowing you down. Sometimes the smallest fixes can lead to the biggest improvements.
Couldn't agree more.
Thanks for tuning in.
Until next time.